Everyone wants to talk about calls, fires, and gear. But the real culture of the fire service, it's in the little things. Wiping down the rig without being asked, scrubbing the toilet even though nobody's watching, making coffee before your captain comes in. These are the moves that build trust, one shift at a time. You earn your place in the quiet moments, not the loud ones. And if you pay attention, if you absorb it, you'll understand that the firehouse isn't just a workplace, it's a way of life. Respect is built slowly, but it's lost quickly too. Not from your mouth, but from your actions. So, if you're stepping into this career, remember this: the job will test you, and the firehouse will shape you. Let me know in the comments what's one tradition or ritual in your firehouse that makes it unique.